But first up, let's head across to Vivek. Vivek, once again, a very, very green-looking screen.
Good afternoon. Can't complain, in the way the market has been doing. One sector that you actually focused on was the entire commodity pack. And the first stock today, is one that is best placed to benefit from the entire commodity upcycle. So the first stock on the radar in terms of the gainers, of course, was Vedanta. We also saw an upgrade coming in from CLSA on this particular stock. They've upgraded the stock to a buy from an underperform rating. And on the back of that stock today, up 7%. The next stock, again, one particular stock, that actually has quite a bit of exposure to the entire iron ore pricing trends. A couple of notes have started indicating that iron ore pricing may be rebounding from the current lows, and on the back of that, NMDC today up by over 5.5%. One particular pocket, after a while that saw buying activity across the board was the entire agrochemical space. So have a look at names like UPL, GNFC, Aarti Industries, Tata Chem, Atul, and along with that, a whole host of other chemical as well as agro stocks actually did quite well in the session today. You did mention a whole host of PSC stocks. OMCs were one that did quite well. They were recent underperformers on the back of rising crude prices, but today all of them did well, and also names like Coal India, ONGC, these two contributed to the gains. The other stock on the radar, from the broader end of the market was Protein eGov. You did see a large block deal happen over there. 361, this particular fund actually exited a certain proportion of its stake, but after that particular deal, stock recovered quite sharply in the session. Two stocks that gained on the back of brokerage notes. First one was Kolte Patil. Motilal Oswal initiated coverage on the stock. They have quite a bullish target. That stock surged in the session today. And MCX, Motilal Oswal, again, increasing target price. They've also said that, the average daily turnover for MCX will surge significantly. And that also, they believe, will be a significant growth driver of stock higher by over 4.5%. Very few stocks in the red. First stock on our radar, IRB Infra. Some negative news flow coming in over there. The stock managed to recover towards the end of the day, but an arbitration award going against the company stock ended in the red on the back of that. Cipla, CNBC-TV18 managed to access the Form 483 that was issued to the company's Patalganga unit. On the back of that, stock saw some selling pressure. And the last stock, again from the pharma pack, Spark, Sun Pharma Advanced, the company actually was quite optimistic about being able to develop a drug for the treatment of Parkinson's, but the primary endpoint for this particular study was not met. On the back of that, stock ended at the lower circuit.
Okay, a nice summary, Vivek. Thank you very much, as always, for that.